And it's obvious to me, spending very little time with you, why the two of you wanted to help out.
Yeah, it's definitely didn't use what happened to her as a crutch in life. She's a positive role model for other survivors. And then for Face Forward, that's one of the reasons why we picked her. Because we don't want someone to stay at home and not be able to go forward for tomorrow. And she's that perfect candidate because she lives every day to the fullest, and the surgery has completely changed her life. And that's what we want.
What an ambassador. And Dr. Alessi, I mean, this was complicated surgery. I mean, this is a little unusual having this vascular malformation as a result of this trauma, which I was very impressed with dealing with a difficult problem in a very sensitive area.
Thank you. It's called a traumatic AVM, but basically it's a traumatic tumor of blood vessels. And it continues to grow, and what makes it hard is that the tumor is not like a nice little round structure. It invades all the surrounding tissues. And so you have to dissect every little branch of the facial nerve off to be able to even get there. And she probably will have some little recurrences that we'll have to go after in the future. So this won't be her last surgery, but she's committed to staying with us and letting us help her as she goes on and helps other people.
And
really quickly, I have to bring your daughters into this. I'm looking at Blair and Bliss via Skype and seeing so many tears, and I'm assuming what's going through your mind right now, watching your mom up here on the stage. How does it feel seeing your mom out here?
Honestly, it feels amazing. My mother is a beautiful woman inside and out. And this is a moment that we've all been looking forward to, and we're just happy. We're happy that she's happy.
And Carl, I want to ask you, how much of a change through all this you've noticed in your wife's personality? Because again, she's here on the stage with so much strength and perseverance and forgiveness in her heart.
16 years being married. Last month, I was able to see her smile for the first time, a complete smile.
Well, I can tell you this. Spending a little time with you and seeing your daughters and husband, you really do. You have a lot to live for, and you've created that. Thank you for sharing your story with us. And continue to share your message. I want to thank our glam squad who helped out putting the finishing touches on Stephanie's look. Hairstylist Shido Brown from Shido Hair Artistry and makeup artist Mary Galan for their work. And really quickly, Stephanie has a book. It's called Pain to Purpose. It's available on Amazon. I recommend you all check it out. If you or someone you know happens to be victims of domestic violence, please call the National Domestic Violence Hotline for help. It's 1-800-799-7233 or 1-800-787-3224. If you would like to learn more about Face Forward, be sure to visit our website, thedoctorstv.com. Thank you so much again. And Dr. Alessi, Deborah, for all you do at Face Forward, thank you. We'll be right back.